TLX is a custom electromechanical device manufacturer. Emphasis on the word custom.
There are not a lot of folks out there that are doing custom solenoids. TLX will do a custom solenoid and we'll take on things that aren't solenoids or that are marginally solenoids, that kind of are related to solenoid.
We're an idea factory. For most of the people that we're going to work with, they're really trying to break through with some type of innovation, something that doesn't exist. So when you break through that barrier of saying, I've got this big innovation, you're going to actually have to have some custom components to support it. And when you do that, now all of a sudden you're rolling to market with the full value of what you designed.
We really thrive in co-innovation, so really working hand in hand with our customers to find a custom solution that's going to work for their application.
They're looking for something that simply cannot be bought off the shelf.
We get guys that come to us and say, I need a product, I need a solenoid that is this big, has this much force. In other words, something that's starting to get close to violating the laws of physics.
And they can't find that out there on the market. So then we are the ones that come in and then develop that.
The things that they've already dealt with in terms of other suppliers and they couldn't get it done, and they've had failures and they need to get to market, they're under a lot of stress. And those problems go away because of the relationship that they have with a dozen people across TLX.
We don't produce things to print.
I've said for years, the closer to clean sheet of paper we are at the beginning of the project, the better.
There are a lot of different things you can do with magnetics to achieve the stroke they want, to achieve the force they want.
I want the guy that calls me and says, I need a solenoid or a valve that works in a vacuum upside down in space, and no one can make it for me. And I say, that's good. We'll try to do that.
When you solve an intractable problem for a customer, that's really where it's at. You can see a vehicle on the road, or you can see a machine in a setting, and you go, we solved the problem that allows that thing to exist. That's why you come to work.